As we go through the motions of our daily lives, we frequently ignore minor details that could make our lives easier. When you go into your house, you'll notice a slew of items that we're all familiar with, or so we thought. It turns out that we've all been misusing some of these everyday items. But don't worry. We've got some terrific suggestions for making your life 150% easier by harnessing these hidden features on commonplace items. Does anyone else's mother instruct them on how to load a dishwasher correctly and incorrectly? To decrease the number of dishes we had to wash by hand, we always crammed it as full as we could. Because there is a correct and incorrect way to fill a dishwasher, our mothers may have been correct all along. Because it has the most cleaning power, the dirtiest dishes should go in the center of the dishwasher. Place them on the bottom shelf, with the spray arm facing you. Also, ensure no heavy objects are blocking the detergent dispenser, otherwise, the soap will not disseminate evenly. Public toilet seats, as you might assume, are filthy, and crouching isn't always an option when you really need to go. Many public restrooms have toilet seat covers, but many of us have been using them incorrectly for years. To protect yourself from the center of the toilet seat, fold the central flap of the toilet seat cover forward. Flip it back over when you're done, and the cover will easily flush down the toilet. In a pinch, these seat covers can also be used to replace oiled blotting paper, a fresh one, obviously. After hours of preparation, it's time to cut the lovely rolled-up cake. You've spent so much time refining it, and you don't want to harm it with a knife because it's so sensitive and delicate. Instead, get some tooth floss and use it every time you slice your cake. Dental floss that is unflavored and less waxy is the best alternative. Obviously, you don't want to damage the cake's flavor by sprinkling wax flakes on top. You've most likely never paid attention to all of the markings on a measuring tape. If you take one out of your drawer right now, you'll notice little black diamonds along the top, and you'll wonder why they're there since they're not for ornamentation. These diamonds are spaced 19.2 inches apart to aid in the construction of floor trusses for a 48 TNG subfloor with a 20 OC span rating. If you don't know what that means, don't panic. It merely signifies you haven't worked in professional construction. Do you ever struggle to break the seal on new ointments with a safety seal? It's so small that peeling it off fully is virtually impossible, but there is an easier way to open it, by using the tube's cover. The medicine's cap has a sharp tip that is designed to break the safety seal. Remove the cap, flip it over, and put the sharp end into the seal. It's often stated in the box's instructions, which no one reads.